Alright guys, so I welcome you to another interesting tutorial in our Adobe Illustrator CC logo design process. And probably this is going to be the last our logo design process in Adobe Illustrator. So all I want you guys to do is to make sure that you watch every video in this tutorial and do a lot of research, a lot of practice, because a practice they say is make perfect, right? So let's see how we can make a simple professional logo design in Adobe Illustrator CC. Okay, so first I'll go to my toolbar. So I will select circle. Then make sure that your circle property is on fill. Then the stroke color can remain black or any other color of your choice, but I like to use black most times. So then we come to Illustrator work area. We make sure that we press down Control key so that we can have a perfect circle. Control key and Shift key all together. So we have a perfect circle. All right. So I'll drag this one side. So now we need to make a duplicate of this circle. There are many ways by which you can make a duplicate. Let me just give you a shortcut here. All you have to do is to press alternative key on your keyboard, then drag. This is a shortcut way on how you can make a duplicate in Adobe Illustrator. Now we need to make sure that this duplicate is aligned with the original. So we go back to our original shape and press Shift key on our keyboard and click on the original shape. Then we go to our menu bar here and open up our alignment panel. So we make sure that this is aligned to horizontal alignment center. Oh, sorry, Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. So alignment panel. This is aligned to vertical center. Very good. So we can see here that everything is aligned. This is very much important. Next, I will make another duplicate just like the way I did it. Hotkey, then I will drag. And I'll snap this to the center at the bottom. Right? So we need to make sure that the three circle align to the center. So we click on the original one first. So we press that Shift key on our keyboard and click on this second circle. Then we go to our menu bar now. We look for objects and we group. Now we press that Shift key again and select the bottom circle. Then we go back to our alignment panel from the menu bar here. Then we make sure that we choose alignment vertical center. Sorry, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Alignment, alignment, horizontal alignment. Yeah. So now, having aligned all these things, so the next thing I'm going to do is to draw another circle from the center. So I'll go back to my menu bar, tools bar again, and I'll select circle. Then I will take my point to center. You can see it has been signified. Now to draw from the center, all you have to do is to press Shift key, alternative key, then drag. Sorry. So circle. So to draw from center, make sure that you locate center point. So when you locate the center point, then you can press down Control. You can drag and press Control key, Hotkey, and drag from the center. Oh, sorry, I'm going to delete this. So I need it to come from the center. So Shift key. Sorry, my camera is messing up around. So this thing needs to come from center of the circle. Okay. So we press Shift key, Alt key, and drag. This is moving from the center. Okay. So let me delete this first. Let me delete it. And we can take this back. Then I'll press Shift key and select this. Alignment. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Okay, everything is aligned. Then I'll go back to my circle now. I will draw from center point here. I'll press down the Shift key on my keyboard and alternative key. Then I will drag until I am able to achieve the result I'm looking for. Okay. So very good. Now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to select everything now. So this is a somehow complicated logo in Illustrator, but all you have to do is to watch the step I take in this video and get something nice done. So I'll select everything now. So I can make a duplicate of this. All right, so I'll select this. So having selected this is where I will now know where to cut out some of the shape I need for this logo, right? So in this case now, I need to go back to my toolbar now. Then I'll select my shape builder tool. So having select my shape builder tools, then I would have to count 1, 2, then 1, 2, right? 1, 2. That's the logo I need from this point. So 1, 2. Then I will delete this. I'll press alternative key on my keyboard and drag. Anyway, so 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? So I can go back to my selection tools now and see, I can bring out this shape, Shift key and click on this, Shift key and click on the third one. Then I can drag it out, my logo shape. All right. So I can as well duplicate this. Okay, I don't even need to duplicate. So now the next thing to do is to apply color to my logo shape since I know the concept I need here. So what I'm going to do is I will select this. Let me start from here. Then I'll make use of my gradient color now. You come down below here, select your gradient palette. Then your gradient tools here. Now I can fill it with the color of my choice. So in this case, I'm going to fill this with a green color. So I will double click the gradient palette here. I will choose this lemon green here. I will double click this. Double click. I will choose this dark green here. Now I will add another node. So I'll add another node here, another slider. So I will double click the slider now. Okay, I'll maintain the same color there. Then I will add a new slider here also. Just drag and double click. And I'll fill it with this lemon green. I think I'm using this green now. Let me try this dark green. No, that's too dark. We'll choose this. Okay. So I can now control the slider. So I will take this to this side, then this can still move inside. Right? So I can control my slider. Very good. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a copy of this color. So all you have to do is to go back to your selection tools, then I'll come back to the second shape here. Then I will go back to my menu tools bar here. I will select high color dropper. Then I will pick the color from this point here. Now I need to direct the direction of a gradient. I will select gradient tools here. Then I will change the direction. Okay, so I'm good with that. Then I'll select the third one now. High color dropper. Then I'll select this. So I have to change the direction also. I'll go back to my gradient. Then I'll drag from the top down. No. So this should be from down to the top. So I need to bring out the dark a little bit. Still Still need to come out more. All right. So I can go back to my selection tool. So this is how you make a cool professional logo in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you guys are enjoying this training in logo design process. All you have to do is to do consistent practice, do something nice and send it to me in WhatsApp. So let's see how far we have moved in our logo design process in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.